Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine, safe at home. Dear students, welcome you all in Jevan Public School and Junior College. I am Rupali Chalwadi, your English teacher. Today I will going to explain you English literature lesson number 9, Tenali paints a horse. Okay, so we will talk about the story in a textbook, that is Tenali paints a horse. You might heard this name before it. Tenali's full name was Tenali Ramakrishna and also known as Tenali Rama. Okay, so before I start explaining you this Tenali paints a horse, let me introduce a main character, that is Tenali. I will give you a short introduction on Tenali. So here you can see the picture of Tenali Rama. He was an Indian poet, scholar, thinker and also a special advisor in the court of Shri Krishna Devaraya. Okay, Tenali was the one of the 8 poets in the court of Krishna Devaraya, the Vijayanagar emperor, and also he was instrumental in protecting the king many times. He was his best friend. Okay, so Tenali Rama is generally known for the folk tales which focus on his wit. And here is one such a tale called Tenali Paints a Horse. Okay, so before I start explaining you the story, let me introduce the characters. So first one is King Raja Krishna Devaraya, second Tenali Rama, and then first courtier, second courtier, third courtier, and the fourth courtier. So these are the character in the story. Okay, so let me start the story. So what happened one day in the royal court, an artist came to show his painting. So Raja Krishna Devaraya was very happy with that painting. So he said that what a beautiful painting. You are such a talented artist. So he offered him a bag of gold coins. So he said to that an artist that we are very pleased that if you will stay at court and make more beautiful painting like this. So in this way, Raja Krishna Devaraya said to that artist. But here, Tenali Raman did not agree with this. So Tenali Raman was not happy with this because what he observed in that painting, that there were 2 men and 1 cow standing in the picture. So that Tenali Rama was not agree. All the courtiers and the king liked the painting, but only Tenali Rama did not agree the painting. You can see the painting where the painting is there. So he said that, Tenali Rama said that we can see only one side of the men and only the back side of the cows. So he said to the king Raja Krishna Devaraya that there is only the one side of the like men and one half side of the cow only. So the king told him that it is foolish of him not to imagine the bits which are missing. So King Krishna Devaraya said to Tenali Rama that you have to imagine the bits. So the bits which are missing, that you have to imagine. So in this way, Raja Krishna Devaraya said to Tenali Rama. Tenali Rama told the king that he can make a better painting. The king challenged him with a big full of gold coin, bag of gold coin. And he said that if you made better than this painting, then I will offer you a bag of gold coin. So and gave him a 1 month leave for making the painting. So Raja Krishna Devaraya gave him a 1 month leave and for making the painting. All the courtiers were very sure about his. All the courtiers, you can see the bag of gold coin he offered to that an artist also, and then he said to Tenali Rama that I will offer you 1 bag of gold coin if you make better than this. Okay, so in this way, all the courtiers were very sure about the losing the bet, as everybody knew that Tenali was not at all a good painter. So after 1 month, After 1 month, he came to the court. Tenali came to the court. Everybody was eager to see his painting, and some jealous courtiers were very happy as they were sure about losing his bet. So they were laughing, and they were knew that Tenali was not a good painter. So they were sure that Tenali will not paint a good painting. So Tenali arrived in the court with a painting of a horse. Everybody looked at the painting, and the painting were only one could see the tail of it. So there was only half tail. Nothing is there on the picture. The picture of the horse, to which Tenali Rama came up with the witty answer. So when the king asked him what a picture this is, the only half tail is there. There is nothing. Where is the horse? In this way, the Krishna Devaraya asked to the Tenali Rama. That time, Tenali Rama came up with a witty answer. He asked the king to do what the king had once asked him to do. That is to imagine the beats which are missing. Okay, so in this way, the Tenali Rama given the better answer to the king, that in the same way how the king was asked him to do at that time when the artist offered the painting. That time, how the king said to him, you have to imagine the beat which are missing. The same way, the king here Tenali also said to the king. The king was very happy and taken back the words by his answers and gave him the bag of gold, the reward. So, my dear students, I hope you understood the story. So, what the story tells us, the story shows us how the clever and witty Tenali Rama was. So, this was all about the story Tenali paints a horse. I hope you understood the story. Now you have to read the lesson twice. This is a very nice and interesting story. I hope you understood. Thank you. Goodbye.